Welcome all members. From my side, myself Anushka Mandal from Management System Consultancy. Today we will discuss upon the topic of total productive maintenance, in a short form TPM. How to maximize your machine efficiency, how to maximize your production efficiency. That is the main motto of the total productive maintenance. Now start the session. After going through the session, इस session के बाद आप लोग क्या अंडरस्टैंडिंग आप लोगों का होगा? Basically on understand the definition and meaning of total productive maintenance (TPM) and differentiate it from preventive and productive maintenance systems. State of productivity gained through TPM. Explain the meaning of productive maintenance. List 8 important features of TPM, known as 8 pillars of TPM. Understand the meaning of overall equipment effectiveness. Explain the 6 big losses of TPM. Strives to be eliminated. Now, moving forward. Model I outline basically definition and distinctive features of TPM, 8 pillars of TPM, overall equipment effectiveness, and 6 risk losses. Now, first we start with the introduction. Total productive maintenance (TPM) is productive maintenance carried out by all employees through small group activities like TQC, which is company-wide total quality control. TPM is equipment maintenance performed on a company-wide basis. TPM is the new direction in production in this age when robots produce robots and 24 hours automated production is a reality. Unplanned factory has become a realistic possibility. In this discussion, quality control people often say quality depends on processes. Now, with increasing robotization and automation, it might be more appropriate to say that quality depends on equipment, productivity, cost, inventory, safety, and health and production output, as well as quality. All depends on equipment. Of course, equipment है तभी ना production चल रहा है. तो equipment efficiency, equipment का ऊपर ही मेरे TPM का tool wise काम. Now continue to introduction. Increased automation and unplanned production will not do away with the need of human labor. Only operations have been automated. Maintenance still depends heavily on human input. This means प्रोडक्शन सिस्टम जो ऑटोमेशन हुआ है उसका चलते हो सकता है नीड ऑफ ह्यूमन लेबर कम हुआ है, मशीन डिपेंडेंसी ज्यादा हुआ है, लेकिन अब एक चीज सोचो जब मेंटेनेंस इज कॉन्सर्न, मेंटेनेंस तो मशीनरी जाकर नहीं करेगा, देन इन्वॉल्वमेंट ऑफ ह्यूमन इज मोर रिक्वायर्ड. Automated and technologically advanced equipment, however, requires skill beyond the competence of the average maintenance supervisor or the worker. Of course, it is. Now, use the effectively requires an appropriate maintenance organization. TPM, which organizes all employees from top management to production line workers, is a worldwide equipment maintenance system that can support sophisticated production facilities. Now, continue to the primary goal of TPM are क्या है primary goals? Zero defects, zero accident, and zero pollution. When breakdowns and defects are eliminated, equipment operation rates improve, costs are reduced, inventory can be minimized, and as a consequence, labor productivity will be increased. Almost 50 years have passed since Japan imported productive maintenance PM from United States. Later adoption include productive maintenance PM, maintenance prevention MP, and reliability engineering. What we now refer to as TPM. In fact, American style productive maintenance modified and enhanced to fit the Japanese industrial environment. Preventive maintenance was introduced in the year 1950s, with productive maintenance become well established during 1960s. The development of TPM began in basically 1970s. And the period from 1952 can be referred to as breakdown maintenance period. And 1970s TPM. Until the 1970s, Japan's PM considered mainly of preventive maintenance. On time-based maintenance featuring periodic service and overhaul. During the 1980s, preventive maintenance is rapidly being replaced by predictive maintenance. देख के जो करते हैं predictive maintenance. Preventive maintenance और predictive maintenance में क्या है? Predictive maintenance actually schedule based maintenance, जो हम पहले से schedule करके उसको follow करते हैं. Predictive है जो हम लोग देख के, हम हमारे experience से जो हम लोग पता करते हैं. That is basically predictive maintenance. Or condition based maintenance. Predictive maintenance uses modern monitoring and analyzing techniques or diagnose the condition of the equipment during operation to identify the signs of deterioration on imminent failure. Now, definition and distinctive features of TPM. TPM is often defined as productive maintenance involving total participation. Frequently, management constructs with this to mean workers only and assumes the PM activities are to be carried out autonomously on the floor. To be effective, however, TPM must be implemented on a company-wide basis. Means involvement of all peoples, shop floor as well as top management. A complete definition of TPM includes the following 5 elements basically. क्या क्या है? TPM aims to maximize equipment effectiveness. That is the primary. TPM establishes a thorough system of PM preventive maintenance of the equipment's entire lifespan. Both operation and maintenance departments implement TPM. Involvement of all people, not only maintenance, operational maintenance. TPM involves every single employee from top management to worker on the shop floor. TPM is based on the promotion of TPM preventive maintenance through autonomous small group activities. Now, continuation of the same definition. The word total in total productive maintenance has 3 meanings that describe the principal features of TPM. Total effectiveness indicates TPM's pursuit in economic efficiency or profitability. Total maintenance system includes maintenance prevention and maintainability improvement as well as preventive maintenance. Total participation of all employees, points 4.5, includes autonomous maintenance by operators through small group activities. Moving forward, first principal features of TPM, total effectiveness, or profitable PM, is also emphasized in predictive and productive maintenance. The second features of TPM, total product maintenance system, is another concept first introduced during the productive maintenance era. It establishes a maintenance plan for equipment's entire lifespan and includes maintenance prevention, maintenance pre-design, which is pursued during the equipment design stages. Once equipment is assembled, a total maintenance system requires preventive maintenance, of course, maintainability improvement, MI, that is repairing or modifying equipment to prevent breakdowns and facilities is of maintenance. Yes. The last feature, autonomous maintenance by operators, small group activities, to unique to TPM. In American style, PM is also in India. Maintenance department is generally responsible for carrying out the maintenance. Of course, we all know this reflects the concept of division of labor and important features of American unions, Japanese style PM or TPM. On the other hand, it relies on everyone's participation, particularly autonomous maintenance by operators. Involvement of people. If a company is already participating productive maintenance, TPM can be adapted easily by adding autonomous maintenance by operators to existing system. If a company has not yet implemented preventive or productive maintenance, however, a sudden shift from breakdown maintenance to TPM will be extremely difficult, though it is not possible at all. Now, we discussed upon the 8 pillars of TPM. Short. There are 8 important features of TPM, which is known as the 8 pillars of TPM. What are they? Basically, autonomous maintenance, continuous improvement, land maintenance, quality maintenance, materials planning, design, equipment control, education and training, Is TPM, safety, hygiene, and environment control. Those are basically 8 pillars of TPM. इसको पॉज करके आप देख सकते हैं. Yes. Now we discussed upon the very vital topic on overall equipment effectiveness (OEE). One of the 5 vital elements of total productive maintenance (TPM) is improvement of total equipment effectiveness (OEE). The objective of productivity improved activities is to increase productivity of minimizing the input, maximizing the output. More than sheer quality, improving quality, reducing cost, and meeting daily details by increasing morale and improving safety, health conditions, and working environment in general. The relationship between input and output in production activities are illustrated in the following matrix. किस हिसाब से this is the matrix over here. इसको थोड़ा डिफाइन करते हैं कौन सा इनपुट आउटपुट और बाकी प्रोसेस वाइज. Yes. Input consists of labor, machines, materials, of course, while output is composed of production P, quality Q, cost C, delivery D, health safety environment S, and moral M. With increasing robotization and automation, the production process shifts from workers to machines, and larger in the role played by the equipment itself in controlling output. In fact, PQD, CT, SM, production quality condition of the equipment, TPM strives to maximize output by maintaining ideal operating conditions and running equipment effectively. Okay. Now, this piece of equipment is not considered to be operating effectively when it suffers background experiences periodic speed losses, lacks precision, and producer defects. The life cycle cost (LCC), the cost incurred during the equipment lifespan, required for maintaining equipment at its optimal level, is to be minimized. TPM strives to achieve overall equipment effectiveness (OEE) by maximizing output while minimizing input, that is life cycle cost. Okay. TPM maximizes overall equipment effectiveness through two types of approaches. क्या है? क्वांटिटेटिव, जो हम लोग क्वांट कर सकते हैं, काउंटिंग कर सकते हैं. क्वांटिटेटिव increases total availability of equipment and its productivity within the given period of operative time. And qualitative means how much that is effective. Qualitative, reducing number of defects, stabilizing and improving quality. So qualitative and quantitative. Now, overall equipment effectiveness OEE is given by OEE availability. क्या क्या है? एरो देखिए नीचे में दिया हुआ है. Availability, breakdown loss, setup and adjustment losses, performance rate, idling and minor stoppage losses, reduce speed loss, quality rate, quality defects and the rework loss, setup losses. So OEE basically availability multiplied by performance rate multiplied by quality rate. Understood? Now moving forward, 6 acts committed, 6 big losses of TPM जो रिकवर हो सकता है to achieve overall equipment effectiveness through TPM. TPM works to eliminate the 6 big losses. इस हिसाब से that are formidable obstacles to equipment effectiveness. क्या क्या है वो जो 6 big losses को जो eliminate कर सकते हैं through TPM? Equipment failure हम लोग कम कर सकते हैं, जो उसको बोला जाता है breakdowns, starting breakdowns. Setup and adjustment, exchange of dia in setup and adjustment हम लोग सही कर सकते हैं, जैसे example of dia in injection molding, missing and so on. It's an example. These are called downtime losses. Now, idling and minor stoppages को भी हम लोग reduce कर सकते हैं due to abnormal operation of sensors, blockage of work on jumps. Reduce speed due to discrepancies between design and actual speed of equipment. Speed को हम लोग सही कर सकते हैं, reduce कर सकते हैं. These are called speed losses. Speed losses को हम लोग improvement कर सकते हैं. Process defects due to scraps and quality defects reduce yield. Yield मतलब product yield. From machine setup to stable production. These are called losses due to defects. So these are the basically 6 big losses जो हम लोग reduce कर सकते हैं, eliminate कर सकते हैं हम लोग. So that is basically in short of overall about the concept basically. Our details is already given about there as www.managementsystemconsultants.com. Our email IDs and contact numbers also there. वीडियो अगर अच्छा लगता है काइंडली इसको सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, बिकॉज हम लोग टाइम टू टाइम पॉइंट बाय पॉइंट हम लोग डिस्कशन एवरी टॉपिक को शेयर करते हैं फॉर इंफॉर्मेशन, एंड लाइक कीजिए फॉर प्रमोशन पर्पस. थैंक यू ऑल, थैंक यू वेरी मच.